my book? What is it? Why is there cars? A car's broken, but why is it on a hook? Is that what your question is? Oh, because sometimes, I don't know why, but it just is. Maybe sometimes that maybe the car broke and it has to take a line on another truck, a bigger truck. Well, what if the tow truck, what if the car is too heavy, now it needs the big tow truck? Then it can go in the tow truck and a tow truck. Yes, so is it on my book? Yes. What is it? Why the building is standing up or something? The building is structural, and this is but the building's legal, but now it's a construction site. Could I see? I didn't see that page. We didn't hear you. Where we are now? What's it called? We didn't read. Why is the crane carrying another crane? It's because sometimes mama queens kill baby queens, and that's how they fall asleep. Yes, Carson. Maybe it's this because he broke a wheel. No. He doesn't have wheels. No, they don't have wheels. Cranes use tracks. And bulldogs and excavators. They all use tracks. No, Jake, I didn't see that page. We didn't, and you didn't read it. I did. I didn't hear it. Yes, I did. Why